Hi everyone, I am here to introduce this brand new style from Paula Young. This is a cute, razored, layered, modern bob cut in the new exclusive color, Honey Drizzle. So if you want to learn more about this fun style, then check it out. Hi everyone, welcome to Beth's Best Hair. I am so happy that you're here with me today, and I am excited because Paula Young is sponsoring this video tonight because they want me to debut a brand new style for you that I am wearing. This is Camryn, and she is in the new exclusive color, Honey Drizzle. Now, Camryn is not yet available in your catalog. You'll want to shop online to see her, and you can get this color, or she's also available in all 21 of Paula's preferred hues. All those colors are in the center of your catalog, or you can view them online. Remember, when you're shopping online, you can use my discount code, that's BBH20. And that's going to save you 20% off of each wig that's $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. Before I get into telling you all about this fun new style and this new exclusive color, I just want to do a quick comparison. So let's put the catalog photo over here. I'll also include her measurements, and we'll do a compare and a spin. Look at these gorgeous highlights. Can you see how beautiful that is? Just a really nice length, a heavily layered bob. So cute the way it comes and frames the face. I just love this new style. I guess I would call it a modern bob. We have a lot of these razored layers, and it is just so much fun. I love that Paula Young's design team is always coming out with these great new styles and these beautiful exclusive colors. And this style is just a really fun bob. We have a lot of layers. It's super modern, super trendy. I love how the layers really show the highlights and the dimension of the color. And I know my viewers and you guys like your bangs. So this style is great because we already have the bangs. And another great thing is it's made of the beautiful Canacolon fibers. So this wig is going to be one that you can just wear all day, throw and go, and you do not have to worry about it because it's just going to look beautiful all day long. So let's talk about this exclusive color, Honey Drizzle. This color, Honey Drizzle, is a golden brown. Now that is blended with pale golden blonde highlights and chocolate brown lowlights. There is so much dimension to this color, and with the layers, you can really piece it out to really make those highlights just pop. So I'm going to show you the inside of this cap. So with Camryn, we have a basic cap. You have your nice soft front here, and this is all the open wefting and covered with the lace. That is all permatease in there, so you can get a lot of volume with this girl if that's what you're after. Now you turn it over, and we have these ear tabs with the bendy metal stay. We come around, we do have that extended nape, and we have the Velcro adjusters, which I love. You can tighten this up and you can loosen it up to an inch. So that is great, and there's plenty of stretch. I am 22.5 inches around, and I did not move the adjusters from the way that they came. So let's put her on and show you how easy this is. So it looks like a lot of volume at first, right? Because we have all these layers. But look, we can just pull it right back down. You can really see the highlights pop. It's so cute. Now this makes for a cute ear tuck. And I'm kind of an ear tucker. I don't know about you guys, but I really like that look. It's so cute. And I just colored my bio hair with just a matte brown eyeshadow. But how cute and how fun is that? I love that. And like I said, you can get a lot of volume up here because we have permatease, but you can just tamp it right back down if you don't want all that volume. So that is what is so fun about this style. You can really create different looks. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look at the brand new Camryn in the new exclusive color Honey Drizzle. This is such a fun shake and go style, and I think that you are really going to love it. Let's thank Paula Young again for sponsoring this video tonight, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.